Hey guys, I've got a 4-device universal remote here by One for All, which is the only brand I can find really available in the UK that makes these universal remotes. Now, it looks straightforward, right? To start off, you want to press the magic button. It looks straightforward, but it's a bit confusing because it says in the manual that you just press the mode button to change, but actually you get locked on one. So what you need to do is actually press the magic button, long press on that, and then you toggle through the mode, and then you use the simply set codes in the manual. So in my case, number 4 is for my Panasonic Blu-ray player, because I actually have got my Blu-ray player coming through my computer, which I can talk about in another video, and I don't have a TV. So again, if I show you that, I'm still back on Blu-ray because that's the last one it did. So if I want to set them, long press on magic, and it looks like it's only going to do Blu-ray, but then you toggle through and press mode. Now in this case I've already done it, but I know 4 is Panasonic Blu-ray, and you can see it flashes and it powers off. So that's a sign that it's worked. Let me just try powering it on again, just to confirm. And it's come back on. So it is quite confusing. The manual makes you think that just pressing the mode button will toggle through, but actually you have to set them as well. A couple of other nice features you've got on this 4-device remote, by the way, is you've got the macro button up here. So maybe you want to turn on your Blu-ray and your TV at the same time, you can program that. And you've got another macro button here. So they're all about what you want to do. Otherwise, it's quite a decent remote. I mean, I like the silver option here. You can see that's working in the background. This feels a bit more sturdy than the plastic on the 5-device remote, and also the volume controls. And you've got your sort of Netflix button and various color buttons down the bottom, which are useful for DVDs as well. However, obviously if you don't have a set-top box, that can be quite annoying to just toggle through, but I think if you've set them all up, then it does toggle through nicely. So let's have a go at that. So you can see I'm on Blu-ray. So if I press magic, I don't have a sound bar here, so I'll just press 1 and let it think it's programmed it, because once they're all in, then I believe I can just toggle through. It's still going. There is no soundbar device for it to find, so this will be interesting. I bought it because I was hoping it would work with Bluetooth, but it does not work with Bluetooth. Okay, so you see, once you've got 2 programmed in, then you can toggle through with the device button, the mode button, sorry. So if I go back again and press magic, I am pressing it. Let me press the magic again. Okay, then if I toggle to TV, and again I'll just press 1, because this is the way to work around if you don't have all of them. And I'll just keep long pressing it, because again it's not going to connect to anything. That's probably fine. Let it think it's set. So see, I can toggle through 3. Then let me go back to TV, press the magic button again, long press until it comes on. Press the mode, and I'll just press 1 again. I'll just let it think it's done. So therefore I can properly toggle through after what I would call pseudo setting them. But it is really confusing to start, because if you want to do them out of order, it doesn't let you. So there you go. I got links down below if you'd like to support the channel by checking those out. Also, I've got other videos on these kind of remotes. I don't rate them massively. They're a bit annoying to use, and well, they don't work. I found 2 brands that are lesser known brands they didn't work with, even though their claim is they work with every brand. It's not quite true, but if you know of a better one available in the UK, please let us know in the comments. And yeah, I hope that's useful for some of you at least. And let's turn that off. I'll see you in another video soon if that actually works. Oh yeah, I've got to go to Blu-ray. Let's turn that off. and off it goes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.